Amanda.
I'm Devon.
And this is your marketing moment.
What are we talking about today?
We're talking about owning your digital assets.
Oh my gosh, this comes up all the time with new clients or potentially new clients.
It's a painful one too. If people aren't already aware of this, a lot of times they find out that they have invested thousands of dollars and years into digital assets that they don't own.
So digital assets, that could be your Google Analytics account, your website, the content on your website, the images on your website, your social media profiles, your Google business profile, all of those things that kind of feed into the SEO monster and also your brand.
Basically your entire online presence.
Yes. You want to own all of that. So we've run into companies where, the website builder owns the website. That makes sense. But sometimes they own your domain name, which is brutal.
So if you were to leave, they own your domain. So suddenly you've maybe paid them thousands of dollars over the last 3 years to build up this domain for you, and you leave and they keep it. And you've got to start back over at square one with your next agency.
Absolutely.
And that's not how it has to be.
Not at all. That's not how it should be. So check the fine print before you get a website, understand who owns what, and make sure at the end of the day that you're building your equity in your company and brand, and that you're not going to lose it when you end a contract with anybody really, marketing company, website developer, whatever it might be.
And when we say own, you should have a login credential for every single one of those profiles from day one. That way, if there is ever a question, don't just take a verbal promise that you own them. You should have that. You should be able to log into your Google My Business profile, to your Google Analytics profile, and be an admin on them, so that if things went south with your agency, there's no bump in the road. You just automatically already have access.
Own your This has been your marketing moment.